Yo, Joe, do something cool. Hey guys, welcome to Yo Joe 3, a series where I answer your questions and theirs. Honestly, this series is made all from you guys, so that's why keep sending your Yo Joes. For example, Yo Joe. Who? Me? Yeah, you. I dare you to play the ukulele. Okay. Okay. Here goes nothing. Yo Joe, Yo Joe, Yo Joe, a series of methodical challenges, parodies, and that's not all. Endangering our lives with cinnamon, stupidity, retardedness, making me solve the Rubik's Cube, be a rock, being punched by a baby, and it's all no thanks to you. Hey, yes, I did it! Yo, Joe, can you do a slam dunk? Yo, Joe, become a ninja. I doubt it. I'm like the worst player in hide and seek. I can't even tell where I'm hiding right now. I know I'm right behind myself. Seriously? Man, I'm terrible. Yo, Joe, accept my challenge. Sure, what is it? Yo, Joe, can your belly button summon hobos? No. Yo, Joe, spontaneously combust. Gotcha. Ah! Yo, Joe, try to beat Spider-Man at a dance battle. Well, that's it for this week's Yo Joe. Don't forget to submit your Yo Joe down below, because maybe yours can be in the next episode. Bye. You just saw a CupofJoe production video. Don't forget to give a like and favorite if you enjoyed the video. And why not click the subscribe button while you're at it? Or share it on Facebook or Twitter. Just remember, this ain't your average Joe video.